Got your back.
Doc here. Suspects have a foothold in this area and they're refusing to cooperate. Entry team, you are go to move and clear.
Element. Split the door.
Getting into place.
Entry team to talk. We have a civilian down, responsive.
Doc to entry team. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Open that door.
Got it.
Move and clear.
Roger.
Move!
Opening on the right.
Police, hands up! Police, don't
Get
move!
down!
I'm not
Hands up!
fighting,
Drop the
man.
weapon! Put the weapon down! Hands up!
Turn around and stay still.
Get down! and Keep your hands up!
You don't understand.
Officers are outside.
Got him
Go.
secured.
Put your hands up!
Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
Suspect ready to go.
LSPD, don't move!
Okay, officer.
Suspect incoming. Securing. One
Lead,
Head to the
this is
exit.
Doc.
Officers are
Trailers
waiting outside.
notified.
On me.
On you.
I got cops.
Good to go. Provide support on me.
Suspect ready to go.
Post up.
Stacking.
Blue.
Door is locked.
Pick the lock.
Using the multi-key.
Hands up!
Stay down and turn around.
Moving into handcuff.
Stay calm. We'll get you.
Entry team, this is
Drop
Doc.
the weapon
Proceed
now!
with
Get down on the
mission.
ground now!
Going into cuff.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
You're gonna have to sort this out in court. Suspect cuffed and secure. Making it safe.
Element to talk. We got a deceased civilian requesting Thames.
Doc reporting. Proceed with your mission.
Door. Go.
All right.
Split and cover. Roger. Post up and provide cover. Stay on me.
I got you.
Talk. We're gonna get you out of here.
Doc here. Roger.
Hey, let me go, all right? I can't go back to the biz.
Got your back. Fall in behind me.
On your six.
Fall in.
I'll get it.
Lead the talk. We got a dead civilian here.
Get down now!
Doc reporting. Proceed with mission.
Drop it! Get down now!
Elements, talk.
Suspect is incapacitated.
Lead, this is Doc. Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
Good to go. Zipped up and
Search
good to
the
go.
room for contacts.
It's hard shit out
Move in. Clear the room.
Getting into position.
Provide support.
Right with you.
Evidence bagged. Start a search.
Down on the ground, now!
Entry team to talk. Civilian in custody and secured.
Put your fucking hands up!
This is Doc. Trailers en route.
Get down, I want to see hands!
Hands in the air.
Hands up, drop to your knees!
LSPD, don't move!
Get
Get down
down,
and
now!
don't move!
Police, hands Hands up!
Down on the ground!
LSPD,
Move!
hands
Police,
up.
get down!
I got down.
Hands
Arms
up
out.
above your head! Hands on your head! Move!
Please,
up high.
you have to listen to me.
Get on the ground now!
No,
Don't move.
you don't
Down on your
understand.
knees, hands up!
Police,
Hands
hands
up!
Is that
Down on
what
your
you
knees!
want?
Put your hands up!
I don't want to get shot, okay?
Stay here.
Let me go.
Entry team to talk.
I'll tell you
JD is
everything.
ready.
Element, this is Talk.
I have
Trailers en
something
route.
to tell you.
Begin a search. Secure any contacts.
On my way, sir.
Put your hands up!
Put your hands up and get down.
Put your hands up and get down slowly!
Police, get your hands up!
On me, move.
Hands up, above your head!
Arrest him.
I'll get him ready. Civilian, ready to go.
Element, this is Talk. Excellent work, entry team. Report to center for debrief.
Officer Phillips, call 4724. Officer Phillips, 4724.
Right with you.
Talk to Element. Negotiations have failed with the active shooter. Make entry and clear the area.
Police, get down!
LSPD, hands up. You get the fuck away from me. Put your hands up now. Watch it up.
Police, get down! Get down and put your hands up! Drop your weapon! Police, drop the weapon! Hands up, drop the weapon!
He was my friend. You piece of
Talk to Element. Stabilize them and we'll send EMT.
Arrest him.
I got cuffed.
Fall in behind me.
I got you.
Suspect cuffed and secure. Got it bagged.
Cuffing.
Suspect good to go.
On my six.
Don't move.
Restrain them.
I'll get him ready.
Suspect detained. One in custody.
Lock up that weapon.
Talk to lead. Great work. Keep going.
Civilian is ready.
Talk.
Provide support.
Entry team to talk.
Talk to entry team. Trailers inbound.
Arrest him.
I got it. Yeah, officer, these cuffs are kind of tight.
You're gonna be okay.
Red, provide cover.
Covering.
Stay on me.
On your 6.
Civilian is good to go. I'm flying.
Lead, this is Talk.
help.
Trailers en route.
Hands up now!
I got
Turn
you.
around and stay still. Gold
I
team.
got you. Don't worry.
Entry team to talk.
They're good.
Collecting evidence.
This is Talk. Secure the area and
Civilian
we'll
ready for
send
transport.
forensics in.
On me.
You got point.
Stack up.
Roger that.
Cover the area.
Got it.
No dice on the door.
Get the lock.
Got the lock. Entry denied.
Provide support on me.
6.
There.
On my way.
Provide cover.
I'm going.
Split and cover. Lock picket.
I'll unlock it.
Red team. Door now.
Copy.
Doors unlocked.
Get down! I won't tell you again!
Lay down. I need attempts. Lead to Talk. Suspect down. Wounded.
I want you to drop the...
Talk. Medical assistant is standing by.
Talk. Got one down.
Entry team, this is Talk. Proceed with
door.
mission.
Got it.
Hands up! Down on the ground! Move!
From me.
Police, hands up!
No, I can't. Be real.
Fall in. Turn around. Keep your hand. Cover.
I'll get him ready.
Don't worry. You're gonna get jagged.
Good to go. Lead to talk.
Talk here. Continue with objectives.
On me. Move.
Behind you.
Police, get your hands up!
Safe. Securing.
Ready for court.
Contained. Good to go. Got him. Good to go. Entry team to Talk. Contact is down.
Talk reporting. Proceed with mission.
Ready. Yep. Got it bagged.
Element to talk. Collecting.
Lead, this is Talk. Secure the area and we'll send forensics in.
The kid's got the setup. I'll give him that.
Entry team to talk. Collecting evidence.
Element, this is Talk. Collect what you can and keep moving.
Search the room for contacts.
Got him. Suspect cuffed and
Making it
secured.
safe. Good to go.
Talk.
Safe.
One suspect is down and alive.
Evidence good to
Talk
go.
reporting. Notifying Tim.
Good. You up for a quick 1 versus 1? I'll go easy on you.
Lazy asshole.
Start a search.
I'll watch the area for any contacts.
Evidence good to go.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Civilian restrained.
Entry team, this is Talk. Nice work, entry team. First round's on me tonight.
Chief Alvarez, please call desk. Chief Alvarez, please call desk.
Got you 6.
Talk here. Suspects have a foothold in this area and they're refusing to cooperate. Entry team, you are go to move and clear.
Element, provide cover.
Got it.
Fucking locked.
Take it down and clear.
Roger. Taking it down.
Moving!
Opening on the right.
LSPD, get down now!
Good here.
LSPD, don't move!
Talk here. Dems
Down
notified.
on your goddamn knees now!
Lights stay out.
Come out now! Get down! I want to see hands!
Hey,
Turn around,
hey,
don't get up.
Over here, help us, please.
Stay on me.
On you.
Take it easy,
your hands
boss.
up.
I'm anemic.
Stay down and turn around.
Moving into handcuff.
Making Keep them up.
Civilian ready to go. Civilian.
Entry team to talk.
Lead,
Civilian,
this
good
is
to
Talk. Trailers incoming.
Civilian is cuffed.
Police, hands up!
Davey is ready.
This is Talk. Trailers on the way.
Feel my hands.
Post up and provide cover.
Unlock.
Move in and clear.
Done.
Element to talk. Bagging.
Element, this is Talk. Secure the area and we'll send forensics in.
Entry team to talk. Collecting evidence.
Lead, this is Talk. Collect what you can and keep moving.
Turn around.
Now taking the bed.
I got cops.
Trust me, it's the smart thing to do.
Talk. Civilian is injured. Requesting
Ready to
Thames.
talk. Compliance.
This is Talk.
Provide support.
Right with you.
Red. Open and clear.
Getting into place.
Hands up! Above your head!
Let's go. I got nothing here.
On my 6.
Behind you.
Red team.
Please, I need
Hands on your
help.
head! Do
I'm
it now!
complying.
Close the door quietly. Move and clear.
Copy.
Stay here.
Closing it now.
Going
You don't want to fuck with Matt.
Lead and talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Talk
Can
to
you at
lead.
least let me sit
Trailers
down?
en route.
Got him. Drop the knife.
Surprise!
Police, get down!
Just gonna have to kill me.
Get down on the floor right now! Police, you're under arrest!
Not you so easily.
Hands up! Drop the weapon!
Restraint, securing.
That easily.
You called the cops? Please, I don't want any trouble.
The
Need to
suspects
talk.
have taken
Suspect is down
civilians
and in need
prisoner.
of medical attention.
Dock to element. Medical assistance is
On my
standing by.
six.
Right with you.
Suspect
Arrest
ready to
him.
go.
Oh, fuck!
LSPD, don't
fucking around,
move!
okay?
Gonna back it up.
and good to go.
Got it back. Talk.
Dock to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Get down on your knees, hands up!
Please, just get us out of
They
here.
just killed a
Entry team to
hostage.
talk.
Yo, man.
Got a civilian
Guy
down.
is fucking
Entry
dead.
team, this is Talk. Proceed with mission.
Lead to talk.
Dock to entry team.
Put your
Notify
weapon on the
medical.
floor. Contact is down.
Police, get your hands up!
What the fuck?
Police, down on the ground!
Red, split and cover.
In position.
Get down! I want to see hands! Put your hands up!
Please, just get us out of here.
Lead to talk.
No
Threat
way.
is down.
No
Talk
fucking
reporting.
way.
Hands on your head!
Notifying them.
Move! Put your hands up!
I'm complying.
Turn around
I
slowly.
got it. You're in safe
Falling
hands.
behind me.
Civilian is
What the
cuffed
hell?
and good to
What
go.
did I do?
Hands up! Down on your knees! Get down!
You're not the only one with a gun, bitch.
Get down. Don't reach for
Hey,
anything.
I'm showing hands, okay?
Going into cuff. These ain't coming off. Suspect ain't going anywhere.
Don't
Suspect
leave me
good to
like
go.
Talk.
Talk
Cuff.
reporting. Send them. Entry team, this is Talk. Trailer's ready.
Police, drop the weapon! Drop the weapon and get down slowly!
Police,
Get on the fucking ground! Do it now! Drop the weapon and put your hands on your head!
Drop the weapon.
Drop the weapon!
Ready to go.
Element, talk. Suspect making good.
Ground
Dock to
now!
element. Make them stable and proceed with mission.
Cuffing.
Safe.
Making it safe.
Zipped up.
I'll safe it. Evidence secured.
Down on your knees! Get down!
Need to talk. Suspect is down. Requesting Thames.
Talk here. Notifying Thames.
Down on the ground! Move! Put your hands up!
Cover the area.
10-4. Door's good.
Let me see those hands!
On me.
You got point.
Move in and clear it.
Hands up! Do it now!
Moving in.
Open on the left. Empty over here. No contact.
On me. Move.
I'm with you.
These cuffs are so fucking tight.
This is fucked! Fuck you!
Red team, get the door, clear it.
Done.
Entry team to talk.
Suspect down.
Wounded.
Talk here. Make them stable and proceed with mission.
Opening on the left.
Got it back. Cuffs are on. Good to go.
Looks clear over here, boss.
Civilian restrained. Got him. Evidence secure. Evidence good to go.
Looks clear over here, boss. Dropping the light.
All teams secure the area.
I got it on the
area for any
tables.
contacts. Checking the area.
Checking. Safe. Searching the area. Doing a sweep. Searching.
Lead, this is Talk. Situation is diffused. Report to center for debrief.
Captain Porter, please call desk.